Welcome back to For the Road. I'm Aaron. Thanks for joining us. There's a there's a guy going around in his ST. Pretty loud. Anyway, carry on. So today's video is going to be about the kidney grille on my M2. You may see it's actually gloss black. It's actually wrapped. I did it quite a while ago now. It was actually just the original silver, chrome silver, just like the other bits on the car. So yeah, let's go and take a look. I actually told myself last time I did this that if it ever didn't go well, then I would stop being a cheapskate and actually buy the BMW surrounds. You can buy them at 80 quid, but I thought it's a YouTube video and that's what we're here for, YouTube videos. So yeah, I'm going to try and take it off, dismantle the surround and give it another go. There's a few it's just you few screws, and then you need to put your hand beneath the grille and unclip it, and then it comes off into two parts. So there's the surround and there's the slats. It's actually a bit fiddly to do. It's hard to get your hand in behind the grille and unclip it. I've done it before. It took me about 40 minutes. And there's a useful YouTube video that I think IND Industries has done it. But yeah, let's roll the clip.
This is the grilling question. You might see it's the wrappers all come off. Down here, it's quite badly actually. So yeah, let's do step by step of how to remove the grille. So really all the tools you need is a T30, decent quality one, and a lot of patience. First you take off this weather strip, noting where it last was, and this just comes off pretty easily, just to reveal the actual bolts. So yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should see these clips are the only thing that's keeping it on, so slide it forward. So that's essentially all the bolts that need to be done. Next bit is the trickiest bit. You actually need to reach your hand behind the bumper. Now it's really tight. It feels like you're going to break the top bit along here, but it's actually quite flexible. You just need to be quite tough with it. Don't be afraid to snap it. It's not going to snap. So this is what you're looking for. That clip there, you just need to top that, pinch that enough so it goes under that flap. And there's 3 at the top, 2 one either side, and then 2 actually at the bottom. So as you can see them most of the way around. The top ones are pretty easy actually. It's got to reach back. The ones, they're all on the outside, and then push them in. You can see you push it in under the flap. Top 3 are okay. The reason why they're difficult is because every time you go to do this one, or any of these 2, these go back in. So it's hard to, with your arm behind the back and then one arm pulling it out, it's hard to keep these all sticking out, so you need to kind of work your way around. I find it easy to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, and then once these 2 are out, you can pull on the top and then unclip the bottom 2, and then the pressure comes off, and then work your way back to 3, 2, 1, and then it makes it a bit easier. Right now I don't actually know which one's not stuck in still. I think it's this one, so yeah, I'll report back in a minute. So there we go, we've got one grill out. It's like pulling teeth out, quite literally. See that these managed not to damage any of them. Sometimes if you pull too hard on the grill, then these can snap. Don't want that. So yeah, one at the side, they're the biggest pain to get because you have to kind of maneuver your hand in an awkward position. Yeah, that's one grill. Second one's a lot easier because you can actually stick your hand in here, just be in front of the radiator. A lot easier. So yeah, I'll come back once I've got it out. Okay, so the second one's out. That one's a lot easier. There you go. Again, clips seem a-okay. Yeah, no damaged clips, which is always a bonus. So here we have the right hand side of the grill with the M2 emblem on. You see, the wrap is ready to be redone. Let's take this apart and yeah, let's rewrap it. So you probably, a lot of you may be familiar with that. Actually, you can buy this grill in two parts. So it's just the slats within this outer edge. It actually comes apart. It's actually in two parts. You might be able to see there's a clip there, and there's a few around as you go around. So it actually comes off. So you can buy a 240i or an M235i grill and then fit this slat on. You actually save quite a bit of money doing that. I think it's only £80. I'll leave a link below where you can buy that if you're interested. Like before, once you get halfway around, it's actually a lot easier because you can actually, what I do anyway, is you kind of get a bit of force by putting your finger in there, there's a bit of pressure, and then all you need to do is actually just pop those little clips and it should come out a bit easier. After you've got 3 or 4, that's what I tend to do. Yeah, if it helps, do it that way. Okay, so I've actually took the vinyl off now. See, there's quite a bit of residue. Yeah, you can see it there. That's probably the best example. Quite a bit of residue removed. I've actually got something. Know the brand. Easy Care. Glue and tar remover. So it's a glue. So yeah, perfect. I actually use it from a car. They actually do a decent range. Sale on recently, so I've picked up some new things. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. I usually use Auto Finesse, but it's actually pretty decent, and also it's called GTR. I mean, can't get much better than that. I'll leave a link below to this product in the description. They do different sizes. This is a 500ml, but they do everything up to 1 litre to 5 litres, I think. I'm not quite sure, but I'll leave a link in the description for you if you want to check them out. So I've actually finished the wrap now. I've got the grill right in my hand, the finished article. Got the second on the floor over there, and I thought I'd show just a quick reinstall. I had to bolt it back up because obviously I drove here. I didn't want anything to come loose. So what I'll do first is just show a few steps of actually how to put it back in bumper. A few just things to keep aware of just before you do reinstall it. So yeah, let's go and do that. There's the 3 litre inline 6 twin scroll turbo N55 engine. It always amazed me they actually fitted this engine in. It looks like it's jam-packed, so I don't think you'll be able to fit much else in there. But anyway, yeah, I've put the weather strip back on and then bolts to put back on, but I'll just quickly pull it back a bit just so you can see. Like I said before, I did actually bolt this all back up before, I didn't want it to get damaged or anything, because these clips can come off, so the clips under there, I didn't want them to fall out. So when you reinstall, make sure the bump is actually under the clip right there, each clip under there, and then in each of these, just to keep it secure. Then you can go ahead and bolt these up. Don't bolt them too tight. Bolt them too tight could actually crack the bumper or damage it. You don't want to do that. When you reinstall the weather strip, make sure it fits under there, under the clip, and then simply just, you see that the strip has actually got a little lip there, so just clip it back on, nice and easy. Should hear this sort of noise. Go all the way around. Don't want any water getting into the engine bay. Yeah, then you can go ahead and put the boot. Easy. So I've now reinstalled it. It's pretty easy. Like I said, you just push it in. One pointer just to do is just to go around and check each clip is in securely. You don't want it rattling. Yeah, you don't want that rattling, it'll be a nuisance or it could damage something. So just make sure it's all in there. Same for the second one. Give it a good tug and you'll feel if the clip's not there. But yeah, thankfully it is on this one. So yeah, that's a wrap for that. So that's it, the grill's now reinstalled. As you can see, it looks pretty good actually. There's a few little bits that I'm not quite happy with, but it'll do for now. The winter will probably not do so good, and I've got a few ideas. That leads me on to my next question. Leave a comment down below of what you think about the black grill. I did actually think about having it satin silver, and the reason is because I got some of these decals. As you can see, it's kind of like this satin silver, and then that actually led me on to thinking, do I actually want it satin silver?
instead of gloss black. It also will go with
the exhaust. These are chrome. I actually really like chrome exhaust. My N235i had black chrome exhaust and I never really liked them. And also the badge. I mean, imagine how good this would look satin silver. It's a bit mucky. It's got a fly on it. And then also, as you're going around, so I've got another one. I mean, you've got to plug yourself, haven't you? I mean, I actually really like them. Also the wheels, they're kind of silver. I would actually love to get some satin silver. BBS CIRs, that'd be nice. Oh yeah, on these. Yeah, get these satin.
So a lot of people actually have the grille in gloss black and the side vents in gloss black. So yeah, satin silver would be a bit different, and I think with it being mineral grey, it'd actually really go with it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment. There's also, I've seen carbon fibre. I'm not sure this would quite go without any other carbon on the car. I'm even thinking of getting the rear spoiler lip, maybe the wing mirrors, but I'm not sure about the grille. I quite like the satin silver now I've seen it. So yeah, let me know. So yeah, like as always, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be doing loads more content this year. It's 2019 now. So yeah, please do subscribe. It really helps to support me and keeps me motivated to carry on. Also drop a like to the video and yeah, leave a comment. So I'll wrap it up there, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching and yeah, I'll see you soon.